Hi, I'm Mimi D. I'm an LA-based manicurist and nail artist, and today I'm taking you through 3 levels of a French manicure. Level 1 is a wavy French manicure. All you need is your base coat and your color. First, you're going to take your base coat, polish all 10 nails, and allow that to dry. Then you're going to take your color, removing 80% of the polish on the brush. Apply a little pressure, then come up, and then apply a little more pressure, getting those bristles to spread. And always be sure you cap your free edge. Because we're doing a wavy design, it's okay if it's not perfect. Alright, so we're going to do one more coat just to make sure we get that full color payoff that we're looking for. So, level 1 is complete, and as you can see, it's a very simple design. It's just very cool. So, just have fun with it. Now we're going to move on and take it up a notch to level 2. Level 2, you're going to need a few more tools, but I promise you, you can definitely achieve this look at home. We're going to add some organic lines and shapes using a striper brush. You want to make sure that your brush is really thin. That's going to really help you get those thin lines that you want. Do one wavy line starting in different points on all of my nails. Make sure you're not applying too much pressure because you don't want your bristles to spread to make a really thick line. And just fill in my semicircle. Just let the line take you wherever it feels good. Okay, so level 2 is done. If you like where this is, all you need to do now is make sure that it's super dry. Really make sure that it's dry, because when you go to apply that top coat, if it's not dry, it's going to drag your polish, and that is literally the worst thing on earth. Level 2 is done, and I'm sure it looks amazing. Now for level 3, we're going to take it a little step further and get our Cardi B on by adding some 3D elements with these really cute pearls. So for this one, I'm using a Setch V top coat. This is my favorite top coat to use. The next thing you're going to need, of course, is your pearls. You're going to apply a nice layer of your top coat. A little bit of the top coat, dip my dotting tool into the polish, then grab one of the pearls like that. Put it where you like, pressing down very gently. And I'm going to add another one because why not? And it's really cool if you place the pearls in different places. Once you're done getting all your pearls, you're going to go back with your top coat and do one more layer, being sure that you really cover that pearl well. So this is it. This is level 3. I'm absolutely obsessed with this. I think this is a very achievable look for you to do at home. And if you do try it, be sure to tag us and be sure to subscribe to Bustle to see more videos like this. Bye!